These are the Nanowire 4 frames, and I'm going to show you how to reinstall and take out the lenses. So first thing you're going to do is make sure that your frame is upside down on a flat surface. Then you're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're going to carefully unscrew the little screw that is located between the temple and the frontal part of the frame. So you're just going to place the screwdriver in, make sure it's secure before pushing down, and twist to the left. This should unscrew it. Once you've done so, the frame should just fall out of place. Now, to screw it back in, you're going to need to line up the lens edges with the grooves of the frame. Now, this frame is metal, so it is very easy for it to slip and get out of the grooves. So you want to make sure that the bottom part is lined up before the top. Once done so, you just line up the rest of it, and you just hold it secure with your hands. Then what you're going to do is take the screwdriver, place it in the correct location, and then screw it back in. And that should be it.